Wannabe Mountain Man with Exodus Schoolie. Thought I'd walk you through the process for doing a template. Takes a little bit of time, but in the end you'll end up saving a lot of time and it's going to be a lot more accurate. So I start out with a little piece of, this is a 2.7 millimeter Luan. You can use cardboard or 1/4 inch Luan or anything you got laying around. This was a rectangle. I just took a quick cut off with the bandsaw to get deeper into the corner, so it'll cut out some of the process. So here we go. So you can see how far off that is, and I've got a stick here. I drilled a hole in it, and got a couple of holes, and then I sharpened it to a point so I can get deeper into curves and stuff like that. Just put my template up there. Just kind of roughly trace it out. This is going to be real rough for the first one, but I'll cut that and we'll get deeper in there and we'll get closer and closer. Got here is that rough mark that we made, and I'm going to cut it out on the bandsaw. That'll do for now, and we'll get closer and closer as we go. As you can see, we're a little closer there, and I'm going to move to my other position on my stick. Closer. Just got done cutting that second form in there, and now you can see that we're within 1/4 of an inch. So what I'll do is I'll take my pencil and I'll run it flat. That'll give me a really close mark. Good to have more pencils. In there now, and I'll show you my next part of the process. This is going to get a little loud and obnoxious, but really I'm just bringing this close line exactly to the line with this side sander, and should be ready to go. about 4 pieces to make up the front bulkhead of the bus. So I'll make one like this, and then one on the right hand side, and then I'll use 2 strips to connect them together and get that final curve between them. Because it's not as intricate, I'll just use about a 4-inch piece of Luan and attach it to these. So let's go see how it fits together. Well, I might do a little bit of tweaking, just because there's a little gap there and a little gap there, but otherwise, that's pretty much the process. Like I said, I'm making a template to cover up this whole piece so that I can have a little piece of Luan on the back behind the bookshelf, and carry on. Thanks for joining me with this little tutorial on how to make templates, and I hope that it saves you some time and maybe makes the process a little easier. Have a great day. Bye.